Good morning, students. In the last class, we have started which lesson? Yes, experiences in hospital. This lesson we have started in the previous class. Is it? What is the lesson name? Experiences in hospital. What type of people or patient got the experience? So they share the experience in this lesson. Okay. Yes, already first incident is completed. What about about Abjit? Yes. What was his name? His name was Abjit, 33 years old. He was 33 years old. How many days he spent in hospital? 8 days. Yes, of course. He spent 8 days in hospital. Yes. In the first day, he did not get conscious. Totally, he was in unconscious. He was in unconscious. Then after he got the conscious, he would be died. Maybe he would be died. Why? When he would be died? When he did not wear the helmet, maybe he would be died. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನು ಸಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. He would be died if he did not wear the helmet. Okay, the first incident is completed. Let's come to the Nancy. Name of the old woman. Nancy is 69. Nancy is 69. Let's see about her. What type of she got the experience when she was in hospital? Why she admitted hospital? What type of doctors gave the treatment to her? All the things you may studied in the second incident. Let us see about Nancy. Nancy 69. Nancy 69. The pain was unbearable when they took me to the St. Stephen's Hospital on the east side of the town. Fortunately, the ambulance got me there in no time, and the driver and his mate couldn't have handled me more gently. I would slipped on wet, stony pavement and broken my hip, so they kept me in for 3 months. Here, why she admitted hospital? Let's see about her. The pain was unbearable. Yes, she told what? The pain was unbearable. Unbearable means uncontrolled. Unbearable means what? Uncontrolled. It means she was in too much pain. She was in too much pain. See here. The pain was unbearable when they took me to St. Stephen Hospital. Yes, when you feel well, you are going to hospital? No. When you don't feel as well, automatically you go to the hospital. So here, when she was in pain, automatically they took. It means they took her to the Saint Hospital, Stephen. What was the name of the uh, hospital? Name is Saint Stephen's Hospital. Name of the hospital, Saint Stephen's Hospital. Especially that is the east side of the town. In which direction hospital was there? East side. East side of the town. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ನಗರದ ಒಂದು ಪೂರ್ವನ ಪಶ್ಚಿಮ. ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೂರ್ವನ ಪಶ್ಚಿಮನ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಪೂರ್ವ. ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಡೆ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಇತ್ತು. The name of the hospital is Saint Stephen's. Okay, see here. Saint Stephen's Hospital on the east side of the town. Fortunate means luckily, the ambulance got me. There is no time. Yes, anything happen to your health, you call to the ambulance. Don't call to the policeman or fire. Is it right? When you suffering from something or when anything happen to your health, you call the ambulance. What is the ambulance number? 108. Is it right? Do you call to it? 108. So here, when she was in pain, automatically who came here? Ambulance. Who came here? What came here? Ambulance came, and without delay, In no time means without late. In no time, it means no delay. That means urgent. You see how when you call the ambulance, immediately ambulance will come to you. They don't make a late. Okay, they don't make a late. Immediately they will come and carry the patient to the hospital. Is it right? So that's like here. The ambulance got me. It means ambulance got her. There is no time, and the driver and his mate couldn't have handled me more gently. So then what she told here? According to her, how she got the experience. What she told, let's see here. How the ambulance driver and his mate, it means colleagues, what do you call colleagues? Colleagues means ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಜೊತೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕಲೀಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Mate or colleagues or fellow. Okay, so ambulance driver and his classmate or sorry his mate couldn't have handled. You see how the ambulance driver lifted the patients and carried the patient to the ambulance. You do see, it means they are in urgent mode. They are in urgent because depend upon the patient condition. They will do that. They will do that. All the things depend upon patient condition. Here, how they took. It means how the ambulance driver and his fellow took her. They felt. She felt what? They couldn't handle me smooth. It means lifted or taking whatever it may be. They did not lift her smoothly. Driver and his mate couldn't have handled. Handle means lifting or taking whatever it. Me more gently. It means gently means smooth. Gently means smooth or slowly. Smooth or slowly. I would slip on wet stony pavement and broken my head. Yes, why she admitted in hospital? Yes, why she was admitted in hospital? This year, she would slip on wet stony pavement. Wet stony pavement ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ಲಿನ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾಳ ಪೈಕಿ ಜಾರ್ತಾಳೆ. ವೆಟ್ ವೆಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಸಿ. ವೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹಸಿ. ಹಸಿ ಒಂದು ಇವು ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾರು. ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಜಾರು. ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾಳೆ ಆಕಿ ಜಾರ್ತಾಳೆ. ಜಾರು ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಡ್. ಎದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಜಾರ್ತಾಳಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಲ್ಲಿನ ಮೇಲೆ. ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ವೆಟ್. ವೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಸಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಅದ್ರ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಡ್ರೈ. ಡ್ರೈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಣಗಿದ್ದು. ವೆಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಸಿ. ಆ ಕಲ್ಲು ಏನಾಗಿದ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಮೆಟ್ಲು ಏನಾಗಿದ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಸಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಸಿ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಡ್. ಸಿ ಫಾಲ್ ಡೌನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬಿದ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ I would slip on a wet stony pavement and broken my head. When she slipped down, automatically what happened to her? Her hip. Hip ಅಂದ್ರೆ just ಸೊಂಟ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊಂಟ. ಸೊಂಟ ಏನಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ her hip was broken. Her hip was broken. ಸೊಂಟ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಮುರಿದು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ರೋಕನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕರೀತಾರೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಓಡ್ ಏನು ಕರಿತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಸೊಂಟಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊಂಟ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಮುರಿದೋಯ್ತು. ವೆನ್ ಶಿ ಫಾಲ್ ಡೌನ್ broken my hip, so they kept me in for 3 months. For this reason, how many months she spent in hospital? Near 3 months she spent in hospital because she what's happened? Her hip was broken. Her hip was broken. For this reason, she spent near 3 months in a hospital. Let's see next what's happened. When you are my age, the body takes longer to heal itself. The nurse were great. Nothing was too much trouble for them. The physiotherapist made me do a lot of exercise despite the pain it caused me. However, I soon felt the results and am now recovered. I am still doing daily exercise. Let's see what type of sharing she shared with someone. When you are my age, yes, When you become old, automatically it's take a long time to recovery. It's take a long time to recovery, health recovery. Is it right? Okay. When you are engaged immediately because you getting food, automatically strength is coming. So automatically, quickly you will get the what you say? Get the you will get soon. Is it right? You will get soon very well because when you are in engaged. ನಿಮಗೆ ವಯಸ್ಸಾದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ತೊಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಎಂಗೇಜ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ವಾರದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ 2 ದಿವಸ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೈ ಏಜ್ ಶಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಟು ಹರ್, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೈ ಏಜ್, ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 69 years. When you are my age, the body takes longer. The body means total body takes long time to heal. Heal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗುಣಪಡಿಸು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಸಿಯಾಗು. Heal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಸಿಯಾಗು. It takes lot of time to heal because of body. Body takes longer to heal itself. Nurses were great. Yes, of course. Who take care of yours? Who take care in the hospital? Doctor, then nurse. Doctor only tell to advise to the nurse. The nurse will take care of yours in the hospital. Is it right? Doctor ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ನರ್ಸ್. So she told here the nurses were great. Yes, nurses were great persons because they take care of the patient. They take care of patient. The nurses were great. Nothing was too much trouble for them. Yes, nothing was too much trouble for the patient. How much possible, that much they handle the patients very smoothly. Very smoothly they will handle the patient. How much possible, as possible. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಆಗಿ ಪೇಷಂಟನ್ನು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟೂ ಮಚ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೆಮ್. ದ ಫಿಸಿಯೋಥೆರಪಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಮೀ ಡೂ ಎ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೈಟ್ ದಿ ಪೇನ್. ಎಸ್, ಫಿಸಿಯೋಥೆರಪಿಸ್ಟ್ ಭೌತ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಕ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಭೌತ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಕ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಫಿಸಿಯೋಥೆರಪಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ದ ಫಿಸಿಯೋಥೆರಪಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಮೀ, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಗೇವ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಹರ್. ದ ಫಿಸಿಯೋಥೆರಪಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಮೀ ಡೂ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೈಟ್ ದಿ ಪೇನ್. Yes, despite the pain, he made me to do lot of exercise despite the pain. ಆದರೆ ಪೇನ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಕಾರಣರಾದ್ರು ಅಂದರೆ ಫಿಸಿಯೋಥೆರಪಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಡ್. ದ ಫಿಸಿಯೋಥೆರಪಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಮೀ ಡೂ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೈಟ್ ದಿ ಪೇನ್ ಇಟ್ caused me. However, I soon felt the results. I have now recovered. Yes, however, whatever it may be, I soon felt results. It means I feel health. I soon felt the results. However, I now recovered. Yes, recovered. However, I recovered from the pain. I have now recovered. I am still doing daily exercise. After, when she feels well, what she is doing? She continuing her daily exercise. Her daily exercise. Is it understand? It is a incident about Nancy. Nancy was 69 years old. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಆಕೆ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ಲು ಅಂದರೆ ಆಕೆ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲು ಜಾರಿ ಬಿದ್ದು ತನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಸೊಂಟವನ್ನು ಮುರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಆಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೂರು ತಿಂಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಆಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಕಳೀತಾಳೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಆಂಬುಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರೈವರು ಮತ್ತು ಅವನ ಒಂದು ಕಲೀಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಥರನಾಗ ಅವರು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್. ಡಾಲಿ. What is next? Incident about Dolly. See here. Next incident about whom? Dolly. 13 years. 13 years. I was in for 3 days to have my appendix removed. It had been giving me a very bad pains and the surgeon told me that the appendix doesn't do anything useful in your body. On my first day, I wasn't allowed to eat anything but ice cream, grapes. But on the second day, I had an operation and I did not feel well because of the anesthetic. My parents, because of their jobs, were unable to stay. But although I missed them, and other girls in ward were really cheerful and kept me from being a homesick. See here, what's happened? What type of Dolly got the experience when she was in hospital? Let's see here. I was in 3 days. It means Dolly spent how many days here? 3 days. 3 days she spent in hospital because of what? Appendix. Because of what? Appendix. Appendix means what? So appendix means a small bag attached to the small intestines having no clear function in humans. Means small bag attached to the body. Okay, attached to the body. That is called appendix. Appendix ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗಂಟೆ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಅಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಪೇನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ನೋವು, ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ನೋವು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಶಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಅಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಸ್. ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ in 3 days to have her appendix removed. Yes, afterwards the doctor removed the appendix. It means remove the bag from her stomach. It had been giving me very bad pains. Yes, of course, appendix giving you too much pain. Appendix give you too much pain. It had been giving me very bad pains and surgeon told me that appendix doesn't do anything. Don't worry. Appendix doesn't do anything to you. Yes, don't worry. This like the surgeon told to the Dolly. Surgeon told to her, appendix doesn't do anything useful in your body. Yes, no more use that is. Yes, we remove that. Just nothing happen. Be cool. It's like the doctor told to her. Do anything useful in our body. And in my first day, I wasn't allowed to eat anything. Yes, on the first day, when she was admitted in the hospital, the first day, I wasn't allowed. It means no one allowed. It means doctor or nurse allowed to eat her what he like. What she like, the parents or sorry, the doctors or nurses not allowed to eat her. To eat anything but ice cream. But ice cream also gone. Ice cream also gone. But on the second day, I had an operation. Yes, first day is gone. Second day, she got a operation. ಎರಡನೇ ದಿವಸ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. But on the second day, I had operation. She had what? Operation. She had operation. I did not feel well. Yes, when she had operation, she did not feel what? Well. She did not feel not well. ಆಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಆರಾಮ ಅನಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆಕೆಗೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ರೀಸನ್. ಐ ಡಿ ನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ವೆಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನೆಸ್ಥೇಸಿಯಾ. ಸೊ ಅನ್ಕಾನ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನ ಅನೆಸ್ಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಅನೆಸ್ಥೇಸಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅನೆಸ್ಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಡೆಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಪಿಡಿಯಾಟ್ರಿಷಿಯನ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅನೆಸ್ಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಬಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅನ್ಕಾನ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಡೂ ದಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ, ಯು ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎನಿ ಪೇನ್. ಅನೆಸ್ಥೇಸಿಯಾ ಎದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆ ತಪ್ಪಿಸೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅನೆಸ್ಥೇಸಿಯಾ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಪರೇಷನ್. ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅನೆಸ್ಥೇಸಿಯಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಿಯರ್ Well, because of anesthetic. Anesthetic means a drug that makes one unable to feel anything, especially pain. Yes, when you get the anesthesia or an injection, you do not get any pain. You don't get any pain. My parents, because of their jobs, were unable to stay. Yes, parents not with me because they are job holders. Because they were job holders, so they did not they do not stay with me. See that, like she told. Because of their jobs, we are unable to stay. But although I missed my parents, the girls in the ward were really cheerful. Yes, in the hospital, not only one patient is there. So many patients in one ward, maybe one or two or three or so many patients in the one ward. So other girls, they are very cheerful. Other girls were really cheerful. Alright, they are enjoying. They forgot their pain. They enjoyed the timing. Other girls, I missed them. Other girls in the ward were really cheerful. Are really cheerful and kept me from being homesick. Yes, homesick. Homesick means always thinking about home. That is called a homesick. Homesick ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಮನೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಆಗ ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ she did not think, she did not suffer from homesick because others girls were cheerful. Other girls were cheerful, so she did not think about home. Who did not think about home? Dolly. Who did not think about home? Dolly did not think about home because others, means other girls were cheerful. Does it understand? Okay. Okay, see you in the next class. Just first, to second, third. 3 instance you have to read. 3 instance you have to read. This is the homework. Okay. See you in the next class.